So hey guys, this is the unboxing of the Flame brand World Spriggan Unite 2B, and here's the box. This is the tape, and you can see I just tore off the stickers to show you guys that it have Unite dash driver inside it. And here's some the function of the layer, that layer can be flipped and change the direction. And here's some strats, and here this is what they tell about that what your disc can do. It's free spinning, and it also a attack mode oriented. It can lock, so I will show you further. And these also have burst stoppers, which is insane thing. And this is balance type way, by the way, and from Superking series. So yeah, let's do an unboxing. So here they just wrote the name World Spriggan Unite 2B. So first is Beyblade. Keeping aside, there is something more. So there is stickers. Thank God they gave the sticker. So this is the Beyblade. So here are the things that you get with it. That's a ripcord, a launcher, and exactly the Beyblade. So let me sticker the way, and then I will show you. So guys, the sticker sucks. Honestly saying, sticker are bad, and they don't have that much stickiness on them. So yep, I didn't stick the all stickers, but I stick on the screws except this one because it just chip off. And then no sticker for the disc. I put a star on it, so yeah, nice. And that's your Unite, but isn't dash, come on, they lied it. And this is a small piece of sticker that I put on it, and then I put a sticker on a launcher, this area, just to look more cooler. Just that's it. Yep, let's talk about this in brief. So guys, first talk about the launcher. This is an LR launcher, really nice launcher. And this is a ripcord, really long ripcord, and ripcord give you the vibe of, you know, dragon and of the dragoon and the El Dragon. And this is a really powerful launcher, but it sometimes stuck inside it. I mean, just see this. So yep, but launcher is really good. And then the layer is in two pieces right now because this sparking. So this is your sparking chip, and you can change the mode like this from left to right spin. So this is your right spinning, and this is your left spinning. So the layer is also have a gimmick of burst. I mean, what they call. Then this are 2B chassis. So this have the mode of free spinning, and when you hold these pieces it will be stuck and it's no more free spinning, you can see. And this is our driver, Unite driver. This isn't a dash, but at least they gave a rubber, because when I buy the first fake Beyblade, let me show you, this was the Unite driver I got, and it didn't have a rubber on it, so I was disappointed. But at least Flame gave you rubber, so that's great. So let's assemble it. So let's do it in first right spinning. Whoa, this is really tight. This is really tight. Yeah, this is really tight, extremely tight. They nailed in the chassis. And then this is your driver. So this is the right spin. Guys, these are worst teeth I had ever seen. they are worth it, but this is really tight. The driver is really tight because see, I am using same driver on this Beyblade. See, that tight noise, and what this happening. So this might can get burst. And then this is your right spin defensive with your thickening, and thank god you don't need to use a tool for it, because before all the Spriggans in Lord Spriggan and Requiem Legend you need to use a tool, and now in the Astral Spriggan you also need to use a tool, so they just came back to the tool thing. So this is your left spin, and this is attack mode. You can see it's stuck now, so it will hit hard. And guys, that chest is almost the size of the layer. See, it's almost the size of the layer. So yeah, the defense and attack power is increased. So let's do a test spin.